Welcome to iHeartHealth. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating eye condition, posterior subcapsular cataracts. Our eyes, often taken for granted, are incredible organs that paint the world around us. Maintaining their health is vital for our overall well-being. When our vision becomes compromised, it can significantly impact our daily lives. One such condition that can affect our sight is cataracts, a clouding of the natural lens in the eye. While several types of cataracts exist, today, we'll focus on a specific type known as posterior subcapsular cataracts. These cataracts present unique challenges and require specialized attention. Join me as we unravel the mysteries surrounding posterior subcapsular cataracts. We'll delve into their causes, symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment options. By understanding this condition, we can take proactive steps towards preserving our precious vision. Let's embark on this journey to protect our eyesight and keep our world bright and clear. Stay tuned. Before we delve into the specifics of posterior subcapsular cataracts, let's first understand what cataracts are in general. Imagine the lens in your eye as a clear window that allows light to pass through and focus on the retina at the back of your eye. This process enables us to see clearly. A cataract occurs when this lens, primarily composed of water and protein, begins to cloud over. Think of it like a window becoming foggy or dusty. This clouding prevents light from passing through the lens effectively, leading to blurry or distorted vision. Cataracts are a common age-related eye condition, affecting millions worldwide. While they can develop in anyone, they are more prevalent in older adults. Several factors can contribute to cataract development, including aging, genetics, UV exposure, smoking, and certain medical conditions like diabetes. Now that we have a basic understanding of cataracts, let's focus on the specific type we're discussing today: posterior subcapsular cataracts. Posterior subcapsular cataracts are unique in their location and development. Unlike other types of cataracts that form in the center or front of the lens, posterior subcapsular cataracts develop at the back of the lens, closer to the retina. The term subcapsular refers to the cataract forming beneath the lens capsule, a thin membrane that surrounds the lens. This posterior location is significant because it directly interferes with the path of light focused onto the retina, potentially causing more noticeable vision problems, especially in the early stages. Posterior subcapsular cataracts often develop more rapidly than other types of cataracts. While the exact causes are not fully understood, certain factors seem to increase the risk of developing this specific type. These factors include prolonged use of steroid medications, diabetes, high myopia, nearsightedness, and previous eye injuries or surgeries. Posterior subcapsular cataracts typically develop gradually, and symptoms may not be immediately noticeable. In the initial stages, individuals might experience subtle changes in their vision, particularly in bright light conditions. One of the hallmark symptoms of posterior subcapsular cataracts is difficulty seeing in bright light. This occurs because the clouding at the back of the lens scatters light as it enters the eye, creating a glare or halo effect around light sources. This glare can be particularly bothersome while driving at night, reading or looking at digital screens. As the cataract progresses, the clouding becomes denser, further impairing vision. Another common symptom is difficulty with near vision tasks. This is because the cataract interferes with the eye's ability to focus on nearby objects. Individuals may find it challenging to read small print, thread a needle, or perform other activities that require clear, close-up vision. In the later stages, posterior subcapsular cataracts can cause significant vision loss if left untreated. Therefore, it's crucial to seek prompt medical attention if you experience any changes in your vision, especially if you have any risk factors associated with this condition. Posterior subcapsular cataracts can significantly impact vision. Recognizing early symptoms is crucial for timely intervention. Difficulty seeing in bright light is a telltale sign. You might experience glare or halos around light sources. Blurred vision, especially up close, is common. Double vision in one eye, known as monocular diplopia, can occur. Frequent changes in your eyeglass prescription may be needed. If you experience these symptoms, schedule an eye exam. The impact of posterior subcapsular cataracts on daily life can be significant, affecting various activities and posing safety concerns. Decreased visual acuity, especially in bright light, can make simple tasks daunting. Driving at night can become hazardous with glare and halos from headlights. This can lead to anxiety about driving, impacting your independence and social life. Posterior subcapsular cataracts can profoundly impact your well-being and active life. Seeking timely treatment is crucial to regain visual clarity and maintain independence. While all cataracts involve clouding of the eye's lens, posterior subcapsular cataracts differ from other types in their location and how they affect vision. Understanding these distinctions is essential for accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. As we've discussed, posterior subcapsular cataracts form at the back of the lens, closer to the retina where light is focused. This prime location means they can cause more noticeable vision problems early on, even when the cataract is still relatively small. In contrast, nuclear cataracts, the most common type, develop in the center of the lens. While they can cause overall blurry vision as they progress, their impact on near vision and sensitivity to glare may not be as pronounced in the initial stages. Cortical cataracts, on the other hand, form in the lens cortex, the outer layer of the lens. They appear as wedge-shaped opacities that extend from the periphery towards the center. Cortical cataracts can cause problems with both distance and near vision, but their impact on glare may not be as significant as posterior subcapsular cataracts. The distinction between these types is crucial because posterior subcapsular cataracts tend to progress more rapidly than other types. They can significantly impact vision within a shorter period, making early detection and intervention even more critical. Diagnosing posterior subcapsular cataracts begins with a comprehensive eye exam by a qualified ophthalmologist. The exam assesses your eye health and visual function to detect abnormalities. It starts with a review of your medical history, providing context for interpreting symptoms. Visual acuity is tested to determine vision sharpness at various distances. A slit lamp exam visualizes the cataract's size, location, and density. Pupil dilation allows a clearer view of the lens and internal structures. The ophthalmologist then recommends a treatment plan tailored to your needs. The good news is that posterior subcapsular cataracts, like other types of cataracts, are highly treatable with modern surgical techniques. Cataract surgery is one of the safest and most effective procedures performed today, boasting high success rates in restoring clear vision. The most common surgical approach is phacoemulsification, often referred to as phaco. This minimally invasive procedure uses ultrasound energy to break down the clouded lens into tiny fragments. During phacoemulsification, a small incision is made in the cornea, the clear outer layer of the eye. A thin probe is then inserted, which emits ultrasound waves to emulsify the cataract. The fragmented lens material is then gently suctioned out, leaving behind the empty lens capsule. Once the cataract is removed, an artificial lens known as an intraocular lens, IOL, is implanted into the empty lens capsule. IOLs are designed to permanently replace the eye's natural lens and restore clear vision. Modern IOLs come in various options, including multifocal lenses for improved near and distance vision, astigmatism-correcting lenses, and light-adjustable lenses that can be fine-tuned after surgery for optimal visual outcomes. Cataract surgery has witnessed remarkable advancements in recent years, making the procedure even safer, more precise, and less invasive. These advancements have significantly improved patient outcomes and reduced recovery times. One notable advancement is the use of femtosecond lasers in cataract surgery. These highly focused lasers can perform several steps of the procedure with exceptional accuracy, including creating the corneal incision, breaking up the cataract, and even making precise incisions in the lens capsule for IOL placement. Laser-assisted cataract surgery offers several advantages over traditional phacoemulsification, including greater precision, reduced reliance on ultrasound energy, and potentially faster visual recovery. Another exciting development is the emergence of new generation IOLs. As mentioned earlier, multifocal IOLs can reduce or eliminate the need for eyeglasses after surgery by providing clear vision at various distances. Furthermore, researchers are actively developing accommodating IOLs that mimic the eye's natural focusing ability, potentially offering even greater spectacle independence in the future. These advancements in technology and surgical techniques have revolutionized cataract treatment, providing patients with safer, more effective, and more personalized options for restoring clear vision. While we can't completely eliminate the risk of developing cataracts, including posterior subcapsular cataracts, proactive measures can significantly reduce your risk and promote long-term eye health. Think of these strategies as investing in your future vision. One of the most crucial steps is protecting your eyes from harmful ultraviolet (UV) radiation from the sun. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage the proteins in the lens, accelerating cataract formation. Make it a habit to wear sunglasses that block 99 to 100% of UVA and UVB rays whenever you're outdoors, even on cloudy days. Smoking is another significant risk factor for cataracts, including the posterior subcapsular type. Smoking releases harmful toxins that can damage the lens and contribute to its clouding. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your eye health. Managing underlying health conditions such as diabetes is essential in preventing cataract development. High blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in the retina and contribute to lens clouding. Work closely with your doctor to keep your blood sugar levels under control through medication, diet, and exercise. Beyond these preventive measures, incorporating certain lifestyle modifications can further enhance your eye health and reduce the risk of posterior subcapsular cataracts. Simple changes in your daily routine can make a significant difference. A diet rich in antioxidants is crucial for protecting your eyes from oxidative stress, a major contributor to cataract formation. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, preventing cellular damage. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables like berries, spinach, kale, and carrots, which are packed with eye-healthy antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are also beneficial for eye health. These healthy fats support the structure and function of cell membranes in the eye, including the lens. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, including eye health. Dehydration can affect the fluid balance in the eye, potentially contributing to lens changes. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially in hot weather or after exercising. If you've been diagnosed with posterior subcapsular cataracts, don't despair. While surgery may be necessary to restore clear vision in the later stages, a proactive approach can help manage the condition and preserve your vision for as long as possible. In the early stages, when symptoms are mild, your ophthalmologist may recommend non-surgical options to manage your vision. These may include prescription eyeglasses. Updated eyeglasses can help correct refractive errors caused by the cataract, improving your vision, especially for distance. Anti-glare sunglasses. Sunglasses with polarized lenses can reduce glare and improve comfort in bright light conditions. Reading glasses, stronger reading glasses or magnifying lenses can aid with near vision tasks like reading and writing. Brighter lighting. Increasing the ambient lighting in your home and workspace can improve visibility and reduce eye strain. Regular eye exams are crucial for monitoring the progression of the cataracts and determining the optimal timing for surgery. Your ophthalmologist will work closely with you to assess your individual needs and recommend the best course of action. Remember, early detection and proactive management are key to preserving your vision and maintaining a high quality of life, even with posterior subcapsular cataracts. Today, we've journeyed deep into the world of posterior subcapsular cataracts, uncovering their unique characteristics, impact on vision, and available treatments. Remember, our eyes are precious windows to the world, and preserving their health is paramount. While posterior subcapsular cataracts can present unique challenges, early detection and proactive management can make a world of difference. By understanding the risk factors, recognizing the symptoms, and seeking timely professional care, we empower ourselves to protect our precious gift of sight. If you're experiencing any changes in your vision, don't hesitate to consult an eye care professional. They can provide a comprehensive eye exam, accurately diagnose any underlying conditions, and recommend the most appropriate treatment plan for your individual needs. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to our health. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, we can safeguard our vision and enjoy a lifetime of clear, vibrant sight. Thanks for watching iHeartHealth. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.